Assalamu alaikum. Welcome all of you to my YouTube channel. Dear friends, today I'll show you how to add Twitter account in your YouTube channel. First of all, go to your Twitter account and just go to your profile and then copy the Twitter account link. Control A and just Control C. It has copied, and go to your YouTube channel and go to customization. Now select basic info, scroll it, add link section, paste your link, and right here and just click publish. Now go to account, go to your channel and go to about section. Your Twitter account link has added. Just click it. Thank you, my friend.